Hey everybody, I'm just going to show something I'm adding to my stud dog's diet to build up his semen count. I'm adding some oysters. I'm adding boiled egg. There's the oysters right there. I'm going to chop up the boiled egg, put it there. I'm also going to add this sardines and olive oil, and I'm going to add some wheat germ oil, which I've been adding to his diet every day since he's been mating 3 days in a row, and I checked his sperm count and he was very depleted 2 days ago. So I skipped yesterday, and I'm going to give this for breakfast and then have him lunch again, and in the late afternoon I'm going to collect and I'm going to show you on camera the results and if it made a huge difference or not. Three and a half cc or 3.5 ml, and we are going to evaluate this. Okay, look, wow, huge amount. I don't know if you could see that closer. Very much replenished from the supplements.